Chapter 5.4, Solving Proportions. So today we're going to learn how to solve proportions using unit rates, mental math, and cross products. While most of you will probably prefer one way versus another, it's still important that you understand how all three methods work because sometimes we use them for different things at different times. So why do I want to know how to solve a proportion? It's really helpful if I'm going shopping, like in example 1. So here on the side, I have 6 oranges. Don't laugh at my drawings, I don't laugh at yours. And my sign says that I can buy 6 oranges for $2.34. But the recipe that I'm making calls for 8 oranges. So how much is 8 oranges, how much are 8 oranges going to cost if 6 oranges cost $2.34? So the first thing I'm going to do is find the unit price. So $2.34, my unit price is going to be 39 cents per orange. So now that I know how much one orange is going to cost me, now I can find out by using step 2, multiplying, and multiply that 39 cents per orange times the 8 oranges that I actually need is going to cost me $3.12. So first I have to find the unit rate. What does 1 cost? And then knowing how much 1 cost, I can then multiply by however many I'm going to purchase. In this case, 8 oranges. Okay, example 2 is going to solve proportions using mental math. So here I have 2 ratios, z to 12 and 21 to 36. I know that these are equal, but I don't know what z is. Well, using my mental math, I know that 12 to 36, I'm going to multiply by 3. So to go from z to 21, I'm also going to multiply by 3. Well, what times 3 is 21? 7 times 3 is 21, so z equals 7. If I go the other direction, we'll use green. 36, if I go this way, 36 divided by 3 is 12, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So if I go one way, I'm going to divide. If I go the other, I'm going to multiply. As long as you do the same operation in the same direction. So I multiply this way or I divide going that way. So let's look at B here. 8 to 10 is equal to n to 40. Well, 40 to 10, I'm going to divide by 4, or 10 to 40, I'm going to multiply by 4. Since I don't know what n is, I'm going to go this way and multiply, and 8 times 4 is 32. Now, you don't necessarily need to write this. That's why it's called mental math. I should be able to look at the number and say, 10 times 4 is 40, so 8 times 4 is 32, n equals 32, and not have to do any math in my head. You do, however, need to write the proportions. So, for example, on quick check 2a, you need to write 3 to 8 equals b to 24, b equals, and whatever b equals. Okay? All right, example 3, using cross products. I can also use cross products in order to find out what a variable is. So, for example, I'm going to take 38 times 15, and that's going to equal 25 times x, or 25 x. 38 times 15 is 570. 570 equals 25x. Divide both sides by 25 to get x alone. And x equals 22.8. If you get a decimal, go ahead and round to the nearest tenth, unless it tells you otherwise. Okay? All right, that is it for examples, QC and CYU, and I will see you tomorrow.